Crazy goon. I think it snowed a little bit last night.
Well, here's my slippery soap.
What's all the commotion?
We found everything, Pappy, but Spot ate our Wiggly. All we got now is something slippery and something bouncy.
Spot ate your Wiggly?
Oh, there's mud under there.
Wait a second. I think we found something wiggly. Pappy!
Me?
Pappy's very, very wiggly, especially when he's giggly.
Well then, I guess you finished your first ever scavenger hunt.
We did it, Billy! We sure did, Billy.
What do you say? I know where we can get some strawberry Wiggly-O.
So pretty.
I think we're a little late, Pappy.
Stay tuned for more Roly Poly Oly!
Strawberry sandwich,
Strawberry staples from Dreamtown, available at Argos.
Look at the glitter, change the color, change the style, up and down. Look at the glitter, Barbie girl.
Barbie loves glitter dolls. I look after my home, and I want to see my surfaces shine.
Try Sillet Bang Grime and Lime. Test prove it's 4 times more effective than the leading spray cleaner at dissolving lime scale. Look at that!
Wow, it works wonders on my sink. What a shine!
Grime and Lime from Sillet Bang. Bang and the dirt is gone.
Come on now, you two. Time for bed.